Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to a new video. Today, we're in one of the most iconic and historic places in Madrid, Puerta del Sol. This square is not only the heart of the city, but also a place full of stories, secrets, and fascinating curiosities. So, stay with me until the end to discover them all. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now, let's travel back in time and explore the history of Puerta del Sol. Blast off! The origins of Puerta del Sol. The story of Puerta del Sol dates back to the 15th century when Madrid was still a walled city. At that time, this place was actually one of the city gates, marking the eastern entrance to Madrid. It got its name because a sun emblem was painted on top of it. Back then, Madrid was much smaller, and this area was on the outskirts. However, as the city expanded, Puerta del Sol gradually became the central meeting point for travelers, merchants, and locals. The transformation into Madrid's city center. In the 18th century, during the reign of King Carlos III, Madrid underwent significant modernization. One of the most important buildings constructed during this period was the Casa de Correos, the post office building, the oldest building in the square, which today serves as the headquarters of the regional government of Madrid. Over time, Puerta del Sol became a key location for major historical events in Spain. One of the most important was the 2 de Mayo uprising in 1808, when the people of Madrid rebelled against the French occupation led by Napoleon. This event marked the beginning of Spain's War of Independence. Another historic moment happened here in 1931, when the Second Spanish Republic was proclaimed from this very square, changing the course of Spanish history. Curiosities and symbols of Puerta del Sol. If you visit Puerta del Sol, there are several must-see landmarks. The clock of Casa de Correos. One of the most famous traditions in Spain happens right here every New Year's Eve. Thousands of people gather to eat 12 grapes, one for each chime of the clock, as they welcome the new year. This tradition started in 1909 and is now broadcast on television to millions of viewers. Kilometro Cero, Kilometer Zero. In front of the Casa de Correos, there is a plaque on the ground marking Kilometer Zero, the starting point of all Spain's radial roads. This spot is considered the geographical center of Spain, and many visitors take photos here as a symbolic moment of their trip. The statue of the bear and the strawberry tree. On one side of the square, you'll find the famous statue of El Oso y el Madroño, the bear and the strawberry tree, which represents the coat of arms of Madrid. The city's name has a deep connection to these symbols, as bears were common in the region's forests during medieval times. Today, this statue is one of the most photographed spots in Madrid. Commemorative plaques. As you walk through Puerta del Sol, you'll notice several plaques embedded in the pavement and on the walls. These plaques honor historical events, such as the heroes of the 1808 uprising and the victims of the 2004 Madrid train bombings. The statue of King Carlos III. At the center of the square stands an equestrian statue of King Carlos III, who is often called Madrid's best mayor because of his contributions to the city's development. He was responsible for introducing public lighting, fountains, and various urban improvements that helped Madrid become the great capital it is today. A place full of life today, Puerta del Sol is Madrid's most crowded and lively square. Here you'll find street performers, protests, tourists from all over the world, and a mix of history and modern life. From Puerta del Sol, you can also explore some of Madrid's most famous streets, like Calle Mayor, which leads to Plaza Mayor, or Calle Preciados, one of the city's busiest shopping streets. If you visit Madrid, you absolutely cannot miss Puerta del Sol. It's a place where history, tradition, and the vibrant energy of the city come together in one iconic location. If you enjoyed this journey through the history of Puerta del Sol, leave a comment below and let me know which other places you'd like me to explore next. And of course, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. See you in the next video. Blast off!